In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about tackling big home projects without losing your mind or your wallet. Alright, so first off, you gotta plan like a boss. I mean, sketch out what you want, set a budget that's real, and don't just guess on costs, look up prices, or get some quotes. Next, picking the right materials is clutch, because cheap stuff can cost you more in the long run. Trust me, I've seen it happen. Also, schedule your work in phases so you're not overwhelmed and can track progress better. When it comes to tools and equipment, if you're not sure, rent or borrow instead of buying everything saves cash and space. Don't forget to check local rules or permits. Skipping this is a fast way to get into trouble. I always recommend having a backup plan because things almost always pop up that you didn't expect. And hey, communication with anyone helping you is key. Whether it's friends or a hired pro, keep everyone on the same page. Lastly, don't rush the job. Quality takes time, and you want it done right so you're not fixing stuff later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with big home projects is skipping research. Just jumping in without knowing the right techniques or even who to trust can blow up your plans. Another common slip-up is overlooking safety measures. Not using the proper gear or ignoring precautions is just asking for injury, and nobody wants that drama. Then there's neglecting structural integrity. This one's huge because messing with load-bearing walls or foundation stuff without knowing what you're doing can seriously wreck your home and cost way more to fix. If you're looking to make these projects smoother, bighomeprojects.com is where you want to check out. They hook up homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and keep things legit. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid spot to find new gigs and grow your business without all the hassle of searching around.